Package dimensions: 29.2 h by 5.0 l by 13.5 w centimeters. Package weight: 0.38 kilograms. Fit type: vehicle specific. Country of origin: Taiwan. Oil pump Prmr, 3/8 in drill chuck, steel, black oxide, Chevy V6, V8, each. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit and function for a Chris Craft 283 Flywheel Forward V8 engine. This engine has the mechanical tachometer installed where the distributor is on most 283 small blocks. I removed the tachometer sensor and had easy access to the oil pump. I did not have to remove the distributor. Be sure to use a high torque drill. I started with a high-speed low torque drill and it quickly overheated. It took about 3 minutes for the oil to start flowing through the push rods.